You'll notice as you play your instrument that up to the right, the pitches are going up higher. So in piano music, whenever we refer to up, you mean to the right. In the written music, when you go up on the page, it means you're going to go to the right on the piano. Then, of course, going down is to the left. Going down lower. There's the lowest pitch, very low, and the highest, very, very high. Okay. The piano also makes loud and soft sounds if your keyboard has touch sensitivity, which we've discovered in a previous video, but let's check that. You can play, let's play this black key right here, and if you push down quickly into the key, you should get a loud sound. Now push very slowly into the key. Very soft sound. Let's try that on one of the low keys. Let's do this one right here. Okay, and we're going to play left hand finger 2. Press it really quickly into the key. Now press slowly. Okay. There are symbols in music that talk about these louds and softs, and they're actually Italian words. The word piano, this instrument, literally means soft. So when you see a P in music, it means you're going to play softly on that key. Okay? And the word for loud in Italian is forte. And you'll see an F in the music indicating you're to play all of those notes loud. Okay? So P is for piano and F is for forte.